So yesterday I did a live sew with me over on TikTok, and I made those amazing maxi skirt. So pretty, and it was super easy to make. It only took me about 3 hours. I thought it's going to look even more fantastic if I create a matching top. You're simply going to get your measurement right here, your bust measurement actually, and then you are going to multiply it by 1.5, and that will give you the total length of the panel that you will need for the top. You're just going to mark it where do you want it to sit, and then the length. So you can go up to 15 inches, or 14 is going to be cropped. I'm going to do 17, but I think it's a little long, but I can easily trim that later on, okay? So I will start with 17. So I'm just going to cut the panel 17 inches, including the seam allowances, all right? So it's just like that, 17, and then it is 28 and a half, and of course this is on fold. I also trim off the panel because I only needed 48 inches. Then I am going to mark 1 inch from both edges, top and bottom. This is going to be for the hemlines. I wanted to make sure that I can put an elastic along the neckline because I wanted it to be snug. Then I'm going to mark how much shearing I would like it to be, because this is going to be a peplum top after all. So this marking here is going to be where the shearing is going to happen, and then I mark it 1/2 inch from each other. I repeated the same to the other side. If you want to, you can actually cut this into panels, but it's just going to be so much easier to share one piece of fabric. And then you will need an elastic thread. I'm going to wind it manually. So to save you some time, you will need to prep at least 3. So when you run out, you're just going to change the bobbin, and you don't have to keep on winding the bobbin. The key is you are not stretching the elastic when you are manually winding it. To thread the bobbin, you are simply going to do kind of like what you are doing when you are threading, but you are going to leave the tail out like this so you can fish it out. I leave about 5 inches of elastic thread because you don't want it to get lost in the bobbin. Then I am going to test it out. I set the thread settings to the longest stitch setting for this fabric, and for my machine it is 5.0. Then I shear away until I reach the marking that I made earlier. Run out of bobbin thread, you are simply going to backstitch and start where you left off. Also move the needle so I get the right amount of allowance or spacing that I wanted for this project. After shirring this panel, as you can see, it is almost done. I'm going to shrink it using a steamer, so it will make the gathers a little closer. Next, I am going to serge all the raw edges. Then I join the back seam. I tried it on a few times and I had to take it in by 3 inches. So make sure you try on as you go. Once I am happy with the fit, it's time to finish the hemlines. I'm going to work on the neckline first. To hem the neckline, I fold it in, making sure that the elastic will fit inside the casing. So I just fold it like this, then stitch around, leaving an opening so I can feed the elastic through. And I'm also stretching the fabric as I sew. You don't want to sew over a wrinkled fabric. Then I put in an elastic. It is about a 1/4 inch wide. To figure it out, just measure your chest and then -1, so it's a little snug. Then stitch the elastic. Close the opening, and then it's time to hem the blouse. Guys, this is the next day and I already completed the top. I also added the elastic on the neckline so it is nice and snug. I also hem the bottom of the top. I tailored this quite a bit just to give this shape that you will see. Deciding to add straps. It is 5 inches. It is 15 inches long. So I have two. I already pressed them and they're ready to go. Okay. And then when you turn it out, and then I stitch the straps in place. And this is the finished product. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm very happy with the idea that I can mix and match it, making this skirt set very versatile. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!